What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Today I would like to talk about how to grow Calamondin citrus in containers. Stand by, y'all. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. You know the Calomondin is a heavy-bearing citrus tree. And although the Calomondin is a prolific outdoor citrus variety, you know it's become very popular to grow them indoors. So most grafted Calomondins, you know, will not grow more than 4 to 6 feet high, y'all, or 4 to 6 feet tall. You know, Calomondins are believed to be a mix between a kumquat and a mandarin orange. So their fruit is, you know, kind of tart. You know, it has a thin skin. And it's bright orange when it's ripe, y'all. So family, you know their fruit is pretty tasty when used in jellies and jams. And it's also pretty good in cocktails. Yeah. So family, you know, the health and development of your Calomondin citrus tree, you know, will depend on the soil and the container you choose. As you see here, y'all, I've chosen the plastic whiskey barrel type of container. But you can also use a wooden planter. And of course, terracotta pots are pretty popular, y'all. So family, you know, it's crucial, you know, to choose a pot that's big enough to fit, you know, the root system. A pot that's too small will, you know, will hinder the root development. And additionally, family, you know, you want to make sure that the pot has sufficient drainage to avoid water buildup, you know, at the bottom of the pot. You know, that can lead to root rot, y'all. So Calomondin citrus trees like, you know, a somewhat acidic, you know, well-drained soil. So peat moss, vermiculite, perlite, and compost, y'all, should be, you know, all included in, you know, a Calomondin's potting mix. But you know, old Black Guns loves to sell, y'all. So, you know, I normally build my own potting mix, y'all. But every now and then, you know, I find an old bag on clearance. As you see here with the Miracle-Gro moisture control potting mix, picked it up for $3, y'all, at Old Wallet World. So family, you know, whatever mixture you use, you know, the mixture will provide, you know, the nutrients, you know, your Calomondin tree needs, y'all. And family, you know, sunlight is very important to the health and development of your Calomondin. So the Calomondin citrus tree is a, you know, a tropical tree. So it likes temperatures between 55 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're growing, you know, your Calomondin indoors, you know, it's critical, you know, you choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of bright, direct sunlight, y'all. And family, your Calamondin citrus trees' health, also depends on proper irrigation. So underwatering, may make your Calomondin drop its leaves. And overwatering, y'all, may result in root rot. So my rule of thumb, y'all, is just to check the first 1 inch of the potting mix, y'all. If it's dry to the touch, it's time to water. So another crucial part of taking care of the Calamondin citrus tree is fertilizing. So family, at the time of planting, any citrus, including the Calomondin, I normally use Epsoma citrus tone fertilizer. I've had great outcomes when using citrus tone. But I would highly recommend, you read the directions, y'all. Just follow those recommendations. Family, I also follow a liquid fertilizer regimen, especially during the spring and the summer. And I normally use the liquid fertilizer, about every 2 to 4 weeks, y'all. So this is how to grow Calomondin citrus in a container. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.